So this question is asking us to interpret the slope of this linear regression equation, which is 31 right here. Okay. The way we interpret a slope, well, first the slope, just to emphasize, the slope is always the number that's attached to x in your least squares regression equation. So the slope is 31, or in other words, it's 31 over 1. And if you remember back to your algebra class, it's the delta of y, the change of y, over the change in x. Okay. So what's happening is we're changing 31 y units for every one positive increase of our x unit. So let's check out the problem here. Mother indicates a birth weight. The birth weight is the y variable. So for every 31 kilograms increase in weight, in a mother's weight, the infant's birth weight increases by 1 gram. Okay, or you could say that in reverse. You could say, oops, mother's weight. Oh, I have those reversed. The infant's weight is the y variable. The mother's weight is the x variable. So I have to switch those. Okay, so watch out for that mistake I made there. I was just looking at the words weight, but there's a mother's weight and there's infant's birth weight. So for every 1 kilogram increase in a mother's weight, which is our x variable, there's 31 increases in the y variable. Okay, so yeah, when you interpret a slope, this means there's an increase of 2 of the y variable for every 1 increase in the x variable. It's always the change in the y over the change in the x. Like a slope of negative 3.4. This says there's a decrease in 3.4 y variable amounts for every 1 increase in the x variable amount, because you could put that over 1. A decrease of 3.4 y's for every 1 increase in x.